this kid is going off to take his driver's test today, so hopefully it goes as planned, except Mother Nature had a different idea. It's supposed to snow for 2 weeks, so we'll see how it goes. I'm excited for him. Well, he did it. Got his license. Look out, Wyoming. Here we go, first time driving legally. Today for lunch, the pigs are dining on watermelon rinds, cauliflower, squash, pineapple, cantaloupe, cabbage, and broccoli. As you can hear, they're very happy. Some happy birds having some salad for lunch. Some grapes and some grains. Pretty great job. Okay, here we go. Right? Okay, we got a group. We got our group here. It's growing by the week, which is fun. Although there's some fishermen here today, so we'll see how this plunge goes today.
Hi.
There's been a bunch of guys on there.
Okay, we're already shaking.
Right.
Here we go.
Mama.
Got our group.
My hair.
Let's see if I can turn myself around here.
Dude, you want to go
Okay, here goes it. Okay, here we go. Here it goes.
Okay.
Oh, Sarah.
I did it.
You did it. Okay, gotta go a little deeper. Got the Zen group here. Got the newbies here too. It's a little shaky. We're in. Oh, what a view from the river, huh? And actually, I might take a video every time because this is very distracting. Okay, so we got some baby birds. Got these guys a couple days ago. We started with 5 guinea keats, and one of them ended up dying last night. Just the way it works. But what we're doing, if you guys watched any of our videos from before, we like to load them up with apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, coop kelp, and kind of a vitamin-drenched drink that you can get from Tractor Supply. Also some grit. I like to keep the chick grit on hand for them. And then it's really good, healthy food. And clean bedding, too. That's important, too. So I think what happened with the other one is they get, like, intestinal parasites. It's just from overproduction of birds in one area, and so when they're in like the hatcheries and stuff, they can pass it and you don't even know. So we treat our birds every time we get them. If we haven't hatched them ourselves, we treat them pretty heavily right away just to get rid of that. These 3 here look to be stronger. This one I'm going to keep an eye on because it's a little bit weak. I don't know. I just changed everything and got fresh water and things, so I'm hoping that we can get it to eat and drink and get healthier. So along with the guinea keats, we got 4 California tan chicks, and they're so sweet and so friendly, and as you can see, the kids can just hold them and not have to do much of anything. They're just very comfortable with them, which is so cute. But if you are going to do this, handle your birds, make sure you wash your hands right afterwards. Like I said, that parasite can really spread quickly, and it can even spread through your hands. So, yeah, these towels we wash daily too, just because you can see that they poop on them a lot. That's all they do is eat and poop and sleep, just like newborns are meant to do. Be sneaky. So they don't know I'm doing this. The observer, she's like, what is going on? So boy stuff. Oh! Did you get that? Yep. Classy. The time has come.
If you worry your friend might struggle, remember, you don't have to be there to be there.
This is Nolan's car that he's going to fix up. So what are you working on right now, Nolan?
Getting oil with the silicone off the oil pan.
He's going to rebuild this engine. It's going to be pretty great. Are you excited? Finally get started on this now that you have your license? Right?
Good. You can put them in, once you get a couple of these in now, you can use the gun. It just makes life easier. We'll turn it down.
All right, so this is kind of mixed reviews on this, but we like to give our birds this black fly larva from Grub Terra. And I figure, you know, babies, when they're with their moms out in the wild, they are meant to eat bugs and such, right? So we put a couple in here, and these guys are playing keep away with them, and it's so cute.
It's going.
What are you doing now? Torquing the head bolts?
Torquing the head bolts. First trip, 44 foot-pounds. And then, he's got to go 180 degrees. I think that one got all the way down there.
And what do I gotta do?
180 degrees. So, I'll show you here. The way I do these, I'll hold the front of the motor. So 180 degrees. This needs to end up over here. So usually I'll do 290s. So this is here. I can easily come right to me. That's 90. 90. That's 180. Okay. So that's one. So now you're a little past it. Yep. You can do wherever you want, just as long as you remember where you start and you go 90.
Aren't they so cute? so we've got our 9 chicken eggs in here. I've got 4 from Betty and 5 from Easter, because I think it would be, I don't know, I like the Easter egg layers. But this is about the incubator. So I put this on to 100 degrees, and I just felt like maybe I should check it with my, like an actual thermometer. So I put one in for the humidity as well. And so that was a couple days ago. Well, it wasn't accurate. So this is the temperature up here. Okay, that's where it reads. And I put my thermometer in here, right? So eggs right now are supposed to be 100.5. And so this is pretty darn close, which I'm happy with. But I've been setting this up here to 102 because that's what it was kind of setting at with this thermometer before. But now I've got it up to 103. So I'm kind of splitting the difference, but you can see it, like it's a big difference. That's a 3-degree difference. That can make or break your egg production or your chicken production. So just always check that. We actually put 2 of these in here. Let's see if I can get a good angle of that. Put 2 of them in here, and they were more accurate with each other than this. So that's why I'm not super concerned with this being 103, because that's kind of on the high end, kind of danger zone temp. But because I had the 2 thermometers in there and this was set at 102, these the other day were set down here, were like 99.5, which is okay, but I'd rather them be this 100.2 to 101. Anyway, first time doing this, so we'll see what happens. But always put a thermometer in. Double check your temps. Don't just trust the manufacturers. Well, it's been kind of a crazy week, but in a good way. Got some more animals, and it's been lovely. They are doing really, really well. So hopefully in the next few weeks we can get them out into the house, into a little brooder setup out there. But this week, I don't know, just hoping a lot of snow melts. As you can see, we have a driveway back, which is really exciting. So hope everybody else is having some melting and some spring weather heading their way. I've seen a lot of people, different places with flowers already. Can't wait for that day. So with that, we'll talk soon.